Welcome all of you. This is a single phase off wave controlled rectifier. Single phase off wave. Why it is called off wave means you have see that one input is AC is given, then here is output. Okay, here is a only for the only one SCR is used. So only one way direction only it is operated. So that's why it is a SCR is used. That's why it's controlled off wave rectifier. So AC is a 230 voltage. AC is coming here. Here is a DC. So DC is what is value, same 230 voltage near to it will going to come, because it is directly will going to convert, okay, rectified. So AC is directly converted into the DC. Yeah, see here is a 230 voltage is AC, then output is a 230 voltage DC. Only half of the wave cycle only it is conducted, remaining half cycle is 0. So see, this is connected across to the CRO through the differential module, because it's a high power ratings. So directly CRO can't to connected through the differential module. This is a differential module. So through the differential module connected to here, okay, 230 voltage is going to inside the differential module. This is a probe. This is a probe is directly connected to the CRO. Okay, then this is output. Output means this is across. So 230 voltage DC. The 230 voltage DC is connected to that differential module. Then differential module 2 you will go to connect it to that CRO. Okay, see here this is a power circuit, you can call it, generally it's a power circuit. Then this is called triggering circuits. So SCR consists of that cathode, anode and gate. There are three terminals. The gate terminal you will going to trigger. How do you going to trigger here? So gate terminal, another one is a cathode. So you will going to give that ones. Okay, so this is called the triggering circuits. Triggering circuit you will going to develop. So separately need for the power supply for this triggering circuits. You have look it here is a 555 timer is used. Then 785. So 785 IC is used. This is a variable of the resistance. So this variable resistance it is used to, you will going to give the variations. See, so whatever you will going to give the variations, you are going to see the variation of that in a CRO. So this is about that half of the cycle. Only half of the cycle is conducted. Remaining half cycle is 0. Positive half cycle is conducted. So whenever I will going to vary this resistance, so here is the resistance is there. If I will going to vary this resistance, you can see that one. Okay, correspondingly the voltage, the output voltage, what is now 49.3. So I will going to vary. So it will going to vary the firing angle, and the lamp brightness also it is increasing. Okay. The output is connected to the lamp. Okay, now firing angle is okay, slowly I will going to vary the firing angle. So firing angle is I will going to varying on that one. So output voltage is reduced. See firing angle, see I will going to change this. Yes, so it is a 0 firing angle. So 0 firing angle means, so what about the 0 firing angle? So I will going to reduce for that one. Okay, 0 firing angles. So whatever the input, the same output is giving to that. Okay, whatever the input, the same output is giving. So the lamp brightness you have see the full brightness. Okay, half of the cycle is fully conducted. And what is the voltage? Here is the voltage is 104.6 voltage. You may ask me the question. So you said that one directly single phase. Then why here is a 104 only it is showing? You have looked the circuits. So here is a transformer is used to reduce, step down the AC and connected here. So connected here. Okay, so 104 DC is it is a produces an output, and that one it will going to see that waveform. I will going to vary the firing angle. Then correspondingly see that one 23.1. So previously 110 and here now it is reduced. So became a 0. So this is called a off wave controlled rectifiers. So what is the firing angle? So you are going to apply. Okay. See here that firing circuit is very important. This is a brain of that circuits. So it is controller. Okay. So 555 timer it is used to, they are generating the pulse. Okay. Another one is there are 785 IC they are using, and this is here is a pulse transformer they are using. Pulse transformer it is used to, they will going to create for the gate and cathode. So just we will going to look about the circuit. So this is one of the circuit. What is this circuit? It is a fully a full wave rectifier. It is not a controlled rectifier. It is a full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifiers. So here they are using the pulse transformer. Pulse transformer is used. So just the same, the pulse transformer, practically how do they connect it? So this is a method they are connected for that, practically connected the pulse transformer. Thank you.